everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Health and Herbs. If you are new to my channel, then just subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Today, we're diving into one of the smallest but mightiest superfoods out there, chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a huge nutritional punch, offering a wealth of benefits from boosting heart health to aiding digestion. If you're looking to supercharge your diet with a simple and powerful ingredient, stay tuned as we explore how chia seeds can make a big difference in your health and well-being. So, let's get started. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons, approximately 15 to 30 grams of chia seeds per day is generally recommended for most adults. This amount provides a good balance of nutrients without excessive calorie intake. Intake of chia seeds can offer you a range of health benefits. 1. Enhance digestive health. Chia seeds are high in dietary fiber, which helps to promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support overall digestive health. 2. Improved heart health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases.
The third one is support for weight management. The fiber and protein content in chia seeds can help you feel full longer, which may reduce overall calorie intake and assist in weight management. 4th, increased nutrient intake. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support bone health and maintain overall nutritional balance. 5th, blood sugar regulation. The fiber and healthy fats in chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. 6th, antioxidant protection. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 7th, hydration. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in the stomach, which can aid in hydration and support overall fluid balance in the body. By incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your daily diet, you can harness these benefits to enhance your overall health and well-being. Now, let's come to the point that in how many ways we can consume chia seeds and how. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of tasty ways. Here are some popular methods. 1. Smoothies. Blend chia seeds into your favorite smoothie for a nutrient boost. They can be added directly or soaked beforehand to create a gel-like texture. 2nd, overnight oats. Mix chia seeds with oats, milk or a non-dairy alternative, and your favorite toppings and let it sit overnight in the fridge for a quick and healthy breakfast. 3rd, chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with a liquid such as almond milk, coconut milk, or yogurt, and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. The seeds will swell and create a pudding-like consistency. 4th, salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads for a crunch and a nutritional boost. Yogurt. Stir chia seeds into yogurt for added texture and nutritional benefits. 6th, chia gel. Mix 1/4 cup chia seeds with 1 cup water. Stir well and let sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, or until it reaches a gel-like consistency. You can store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. When consuming chia seeds, it's a good idea to drink plenty of water, as they can absorb a lot of liquid and expand in your digestive system. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more informative videos.